Boy, did you say that to the wrong person. Hey guys, but all jokes aside, I'm gonna build a PC very quickly. You might hear that I'm sick as well, so I'm not gonna do a lot of commentary. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Enjoy, guys! And here it is, the computer is fully working right now. Now I know this video got uploaded way later than I wanted it to, because of a few reasons. One, finals, and two, my camera was broken, so you probably are noticing that right now, better quality and shit, or at least I hope. But yeah, thank you for watching this short video. Leave a like if you've enjoyed it, subscribe and all that good shit. Expect another video from me soon, and I'll see you guys in the next one.